My name is Peter Hinkel. I'm in CENIT since 37 years. I'm responsible for the DELMIA business in CENIT in Germany. CENIT started manufacturing journey already 37 years ago with Dassault, and in that sense we also joined the foundation of DELMIA, bringing together all the manufacturing topics in one brand in the Dassault world, in the Dassault ecosystem. And it was very interesting to learn how this was executed at Dassault. It was not only interesting, it was even funny and it was very helpful to learn that we are going along a track into this direction to find a wording and a brand for this manufacturing with the DELMIA team. CENIT joined it from the technical point of view, so we contributed with our technology, which we already had in the pre-DELMIA times with Dassault. And CENIT contributed, of course, in sense of the customers, of the marketing, and we could also benefit from the DELMIA wording, DELMIA understanding, DELMIA ecosystem in that time. So CENIT was highly motivated to go this journey with DELMIA, and we are happy to be still here on the track with you and to have still some successful years in front of us. Long-lasting, fruitful, strategic. We had several wow moments with the DELMIA team. One of the biggest one was the common success we had in the aerospace industry, on a big aerospace player, which was, by the way, followed to other successes at other aerospace players. So it was not only this one. And it was a big success of our technology, which we developed together. It was a big success of our common working together, of our cooperation, of our partnership. And it's even still a big success and a wow for our today's business, because still the aerospace industry is relying on this technology and is still going on, also thinking about the 3D experience on that. I belong the DELMIA team for a long time now, and for me it's very helpful to address, or to be able to address, all the DELMIA topics with our customers with the help of the DELMIA team. So there are the right people to lead these discussions, or to go into these discussions, to have the right technical knowledge behind. So that's a good opportunity to do discussions which I am not directly able to answer with the customers because of the wide and broad topics which we find in the DELMIA.